Well, hello to the PCOS family out there. I just want to stop by and just share a little update with you guys on my journey with my PCOS and my Dr. Sebi cell food, which is the estro. I know the last time I did a video on what I am doing, I'm taking Dr. Sebi. And it's now, I'm actually on the second bottle, finished the second bottle of my Dr. Sebi cell food. And I just want to update you guys to let you know what changes had taken place for me since I have been taking the Dr. Sebi cell food estro. I just want to say that I haven't seen, I know the last time I mentioned to you guys that I was hoping to have my menstruation regulated. However, that did not happen. My menstruation did not come back to normal. I still haven't had a menstruation for, it's probably over about 6 months now. I didn't have a menstruation, and I started taking the Dr. Sebi cell food almost 2 months now, coming up to the end of 2 months since I started taking the Dr. Sebi cell food. And I started taking Dr. Sebi cell food just so that I can try and regulate my period, or even my hormones level, so that I can have a regular period. So what I'm going to share with you guys is just what I've noticed after taking the second bottle of Dr. Sebi cell food, the estro. What I can say is that, as I mentioned before, it did not do anything for my menstruation, but it actually did stop the hair growth that I have, because I was having hair growth under my chin, this two sides right here. There was real, like, basically every few days I had to shred it or wax it or whatever. And I also had like a dark area right around my lip, because of the PCOS. So since I've been taking this product, the estro, I noticed that the hair is not a lot. It's not that visible either. It's less. It's definitely less. Even the circle that was around my lip is really, really less. It's gone, as you can see, and my skin are very, very clean. However, I think what contribute to the cleanness of my skin also, because as I mentioned before, I had acne, and I'm sorry I didn't have a picture with that to show, but my whole face was really, really bad with acne. And since I started taking this product, it started clearing up. Another thing that I was doing that I also think that helps it to be this way, and if you see my skin is really, really clean now. I went on a 14-day challenge with the celery juice for 14 mornings, and I see a huge change, even the feeling in my body, because before I was really, really moody. I was having mood swing, the mood are just up and down everywhere. And based on my research, I know that they say that's one thing that PCOS women experience is mood swings a lot, and I had that a lot. Some days I'm just really, really quiet and don't know what to do with myself. Some days I'm so annoyed with every little thing, and some days I'm just don't know, which I know some of you are experiencing. So what I noticed with a combination of Dr. Sebi product and the 14-day challenge that I did with the celery juice, I can say it really mastered a lot of things for me in terms of cleaning my skin. My skin is really clean now, and I feel so much lighter in my body. I feel so much lighter around my tummy area. So I just want to say, for those of you who want to try it, I don't know if it will do. It can help regulate your hormones or anything so that you can have a regular menstruation. But I know what it did for me is to actually help clear my skin off in terms of the acne mark and this black spot around my mouth, it's totally gone. And even my hair is like, minimal. Like there's really nothing to talk about there. So if you're looking to use it for regulating your menstruation, I don't know if it will work for that. But if you're looking to get rid of a dark spot from around your lip area or acne from PCOS, I think it worked for that very well, because that's what I see for me. So yeah, that's all I just want to come by and share with you. Another thing that I also want to share with you, one more thing I want to share with you is that now this journey of PCOS is not anywhere close to over, but by doing something small every day towards your choices that you make can actually help you in a really, really good way. I would say this because I know exercising and eating right can actually contribute to a lot of things that goes on in my body, maybe also in your body too. So the next thing I want to say is that now my daughter also have just been diagnosed with PCOS, and my daughter is pretty young. She's been diagnosed with PCOS. She's been gaining weight excessively and without even eating, with no reason. So she did all that she have to do, went to the doctor, did all the tests, and she just found out that she also have PCOS. So with that, make two of us on this journey. We're going to do our best to try and combat or even eliminate, or even try to eliminate certain things that goes on with our body. For my daughter, for me, I don't really gain weight because I'm very active. I run a lot, I bike a lot, I exercise. Basically, I keep fit. If you want to know what I do to keep fit, you can actually message me, leave a comment in the description box and let me know if you want to know what I do to keep fit and keep my size. I'm actually 5'11" and I am 176 pounds, and I've been between that weight for a long time now. Over 8 years I've been that weight, and I haven't really gained anything yet, anything excessively to talk about. The most I will diverge from 176. The most I'll be is like 179, 178, 179. That's the most, but I haven't gone anywhere above that. So, and I know that contributes to the way I eat and how I exercise. With my daughter, she gained weight excessively without eating, and that's how I know PCOS is different for everybody. So you just have to try things to see what will work with your body and how it can, improve certain things within your body, because everybody who have PCOS, I know the name is a general name, but everybody's body, react differently to certain things. So you just got to find what works for you and try things until you find something that works for you. For my daughter, I'm going to work along with her and see what we can find, and see what we can do to help her. And the fact that now she's in a better place, she now know what she have, and she know that I have it too. So she are willing to work along with me, because I said, whatever it takes, I'm willing to help you to get to losing this weight. So we actually begin a journey today. That's why I also wanted to come and share with you, because it's myself and my daughter now are in this PCOS journey. So today we decided that I'm going to start preparing meals for her. I'm going to make sure that she eats and what she eats. I'm going to be the one as a mom to prepare her meal for her from breakfast to dinner. I'm going to be doing that for her. And I'm the one that's going to be waking her up a little bit earlier, that she can exercise with me and, do a little things that will keep her body, get her body ready and prepare for the changes. If you are on this journey, as I said, share your journey, share where you're at with us, and let us know how you're doing, and let us know what you're using and how, if it make any changes. Just let us know what you're doing, because we really would appreciate some feedback and some, encouragement of, those of you who are on this journey. So I just want to say here, I just want to just share this with you, and I just want to encourage you not to give up no matter what you see and no matter what comes your way, because your faith is what you have to keep you true. So, hold on to your faith, and you do what you can to the best of your ability, and trust that God will do the rest for you. And yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching. And if you want to like this video, you know, feel free to like this video and give us a thumbs up, or even subscribe to our channel to see what we're doing and how our journey is going. We really appreciate, you know, those of you who comment on my last video, or, you know, and that's like such an encouragement for us. So feel free to do that, and we definitely will come back and share with you what we're doing, especially my daughters. I'm excited because I'm excited to see my daughter lose weight, because before she was a really tiny girl, tiny more than her mom, but with the PCOS she gained weight excessively. You know, and she's not happy about it, but now she accepts what happened. It takes a while to accept what happened, and now she accepts it and wants to make changes. So as a mom, I'm going to work along with her to make the changes in her eating and in her exercising. So thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a good day and be blessed. Take care. All the best. She can get motivated to do it. Day one.
Even a nice short fast walk.
My big daughter. Not fat. PCOS on both of us side, but we're gonna work it out. We're gonna figure it out.
Flat top. Pull the belly button toward the spine and stay tall here. So my shoulder above my hip.
We're walking at home strong.
Walking strong.
See, she have a fit belt.
Core is engaged and ready to hold these
And this is all new for her. She just started.
Going back to the walk. Nice.
Yeah, don't worry, that's gonna go.
Kick back. 4 more counts. 4, 3, 2. Now kick back.
Yeah, that's gonna go.
Bring the heel behind you. Hamstrings initiate the move. You got it. Kick that. Kick that. Kick that. We're already starting to
Gonna go.
warming up. Here.
Both of us are suffering with PCOS, but in a different way. She gained weight, I gained nothing.
Walk. Now,
But we're gonna fix this together.
we're gonna move around a bit.
Exercise is our number one thing.
Here goes, guys. Just
And then eating,
Come on.
number
You
2.
can already feel that heart rate is climbing up just a bit.